Mathematics, Earth Geometry, 2018 July, August exam. In the diagram below, A and B are points on latitude 60 degrees north, while C is a point on latitude 60 degrees south. So this is what we have. So this is the Earth geometry that we have. So A and B are the 2 points that are in the latitude of 60 degrees north. Then D and C are in the latitude of 60 degrees south. So part A, calculate the distance BC along the latitude 60 degrees east in nautical miles. So BC. So BC, it is the distance along the longitude. So it's a distance along the longitude. So how do we find distance along the longitude? So here we have BC is equal to theta times 60 degrees. That is in nautical miles. But if it was in kilometers, I would have used BC is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. I would have used that formula. So what is theta? So theta, it is the difference in latitudes. So B is in latitude 60 degrees north, C is on latitude 60 degrees south. So these 2 points, they are in opposite sides. What I mean when I say opposite side, this one it is north side, this one it is in south side. So therefore, I am going to add the difference in latitude. So theta is equal to difference in latitude, it is 60 degrees plus 60 degrees. So theta is 120 degrees. That is theta. So BC is equal to 120 times 60. So BC is equal to 7,200. So nautical miles. So that is in nautical miles. Remember that this formula, it is not applicable in kilometers. So if your radius is in kilometers, this formula is not applicable. You use the other formula. Okay, so this formula is only applicable in nautical miles. So if at all we were using the other formula, this is what we would have done. Theta 120 over 360 times 2 times pi, which is 3.142 times radius, which is 3437. So the answer would have been 7,199.36. So now the answer should be to 3 significant figures. So I'll count the first 3. 1, 2, 3. So I need to round off. I'll get 1 from here. It is going to be 10. So this will be 0. This one will be 0. So 1 will be added here. It is going to be 2. So this is the 7,200 that we have. Then we have part B. So part B, a ship sails from C to D in 12 hours. Find the speed in knots. So speed is equal to distance over time. So time I have, it is 12 hours. But distance from C to D, I don't have. So I'm going to calculate distance from D to C. So distance D to C, it is along the latitude. So along the latitude, I'll simply say distance DC is equal to theta times 60 times cos x. So that is for distance along the latitude. So DC is equal to theta. It's a difference in latitude. So D, it is in latitude 60 degrees west. Then C, it is in latitude 60 degrees east. So I'm going to add, since this one it is west, this one it is east. So they are in the opposite sides. So we need to add. So theta, it is going to be 60 plus 60. So theta is equal to 120 degrees times 60 times cos x. So cos x, that is the latitude where D and C are. So D and C, they are in latitude 60 degrees south. So this is the value for x. So that is 60. So DC is equal to 120 times 60. It is 7,200 times cos 60. It is 0.5. So distance, which is DC, so we have 3,600 nautical miles. So this is our distance. So this is our distance. So now let's calculate now speed. So speed is equal to distance is 3,600 over time, it is 12 hours. So speed is equal to 3,600 divided by 12. The answer is 300. So 300, that is our answer.